Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Country Legends. Today we are here in Cricklewood between the London Boroughs of Barnet and London Borough of Brent in North West London. So without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so an end of the two. Let's just take off. We're going up to the max height. As you can see, the drone's right up there. Just gonna go up to the full speed. Gonna just look straight down. I'm going to do a 360 photo in this area, so let's do that. It's a nice open area here in North West London. Alright, we're at the max height. We're now just going to just do 360 photo. Ooh, alright, 360 photo is now complete. We're now just going to zip around Cricklewood in North West London. I'm going to stop the recording on my phone because it's going to overheat. How's it going cloudy? I was literally waiting so long for the sun, and the sun actually finally came, but only for a short time because it just went cloudy in this area now. It's going to go around. Just let me just put charging on because my phone's just said a low battery warning, so I'm just going to charge it. So it's charging now, so it's fine. I'm just going to zip around this area. So we've got a crane over here. Going to explore I'm taking off from Barnet side because on east side of the Edgeware Road is Barnet side. West side of it is part of the London Borough of Brent. Yeah, I've pretty much covered everywhere in North West London. I was thinking of going somewhere in south West London, but then the train was taking me because there was train closures. I just thought it would be easy to just come here because this is one place where I wanted to get a shot of. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of drone flights in North West London recently. Last drone flight was Watford. So yeah, there's a little construction happening here. Probably in like a few years' time, obviously this will be all complete. Look at that, amazing shots. They've got the North London line, train line. What trains run through here? The National Express runs through here. Let's just go towards that because it's cloudy in this area. So we've got a bus garage right here as well, look at that. NW2 postcode, that's off the line. And it's bare hot today, literally. It's 30 degrees, over 30 degrees today. Longest day of the year. So, yeah, and I'm flying pretty much close to noon, so basically the sun directly above us right now. Minimal shadows. I mean, places near the equator, you get places where there's no shadows at all, and it just looks like there's no. It's like poorly rendered because the sun's directly above us. Even right now, it's directly above us. So let's get a shot of the bus garage. Yeah, let's go. Should we go north? Let's go north. This is the Edgeware Road. I think it's the Edgeware Road. So east of that is London Borough of Barnet, and west of that is London Borough of Brent. So on the right is Barnet side. And yeah, if we go all the way up there, we're going to go up to Brent Cross, that area. Look at that little Builders depot area, look at that. So we're above the A5 Edgeware Road. Long road to Edgeware. Goes all the way to Edgeware. All the way from Marble Arch. Yeah, nice little shots here in this area. Just gonna go towards here so we get a nice shot of it. Edgeware Road, that's where we're flying from. See, we're not really far from Brent Cross, look at that. Yeah, we're not going to go that far, we're just going to turn back now. Let's follow this blue car all the way back. So it's a bit cloudy in this area now. Getting a nice shot though. So I think it's best to just get a shot like this because you get the sun in this shot as well. Coming back at 35 miles an hour. Let's go to the south side of Brent Cross. We've got a juice in right there. And we've got a obviously a bus garage. Look at that, we're getting a nice shot in this area. Let's come back towards the area down here. I'm walking towards the other side so get a perfect shot of it. Look at that. And this is the area that we're in. We've got a Tower Giant, Town Stretcher, B&Q. We've even got freight trains, not freight trains, but like the stuff that you get on freight trains. Hamburg, Sud, M.SC. Let's go towards the... We're not far from Willesden Green as well, which is where I did one of my previous drone flights. That's behind us, so we're going to go towards Willesden Green, which is in the London Borough of Brent. So yeah, we're in Barnet right now. Past this road is Brent. Yeah, I've covered pretty much the whole area of Barnet and Brent as well, like most of it. Most of these boroughs, I've been all the way around. North West London's done everywhere. Just get a shot down there. The weather's actually mad. It's actually so hot today because we're literally in the longest day of the year. I mean, it's still not as hot and there's literally no wind. That's why it's so hot. And it's muggy as well, meaning it's very humid. Yeah, it's cloudy. Why is it cloudy here? And it should be sunny in this area. I mean, where I am is sunny, so I don't know why I'm getting footage of clouds. So right, yeah, we're in Cricklewood. Sunny Cricklewood. This area is basically in 2 London boroughs, so half the roads, basically. Probably soon I'm going to run out of spots to fly in London, but then I'll just fly in places that I haven't flown in a long time. That's probably what I'll do if I run out of places, I mean. But I don't think I will. I still got a lot of places, so, but I can't lie, every time it's a sunny day, I fly in a new spot. We've been down there, but we haven't been to that side, so let's go towards this area down here. There's a what I believe is a Wix. From my small screen I can't tell, but it looks like a Wix. You can definitely tell it because you're watching it in 4K. Actually, I can see it now. It's definitely a Wix. Yeah, it's a Wix. I'm wearing sunscreen today because the UV index must be so high today. I don't want to get nuked by the sun, so that's why I'm wearing a sunscreen. Where is it sunny now? Like, I'm just going to stay where it's sunny. You haven't been south side, have we? It didn't look to be so sunny there. It's because of the clouds. I can't predict it. I was actually waiting for it to get sunny, and then somehow it got cloudy again. So, because you can't tell it's moving. Like actual, it's completely no clouds in the area where it got sunny. So that's when I took off, and then literally still got cloudy because clouds are coming from all over. You literally can't predict it. We've got all these trains here. These trains are bare fast, you know. Like, I remember I was coming back from Watford, and then I went to Wembley Central, and then while I was walking down, a train went bare fast. It was actually so fast, yeah. Like, you can feel it in your chest. That's how fast they go. And I checked it. It's what's it called? The Avanti West Coast. It goes at 125 miles an hour, which is actually tremendously fast for a train. I mean, you get faster trains in places. I know Germany has fast trains as well, which goes around 200 miles an hour. It's actually mad. The fastest we have in the UK is 125 miles an hour. So let's explore the residential area of the Cricklewood. Yeah, look at that. Look at that nice green neighbourhood. Should get all bit of that. We're running out of battery, you know. 34% already. No, I mean, it's not that windy today, so. What's that big green area? I think that's is that Gladstone Park? No. Gladstone Park's around Dulles Hill area, isn't it? Alright, let's come back down here. It was not the weather I planned, but it is what it is, and I think it's gonna get more sunny. So I'm gonna use my second battery for somewhere else. I'm gonna see where to go. Somewhere else in I don't know where to go. Left. Literally, I've been everywhere in northwest London. I might try and go to near West Hendon, maybe that area. I'll see. Let's go to the south side. Weather's absolutely rubbish in this area, but I can't predict it, can I? No one can predict the weather. Even the weather itself said it's going to be sunny, but you can't predict it. Like, I checked my office, it's going to be sunny at this time, but turns out it's not. We did get good weather, so can't complain too much. We haven't explored the High Street area yet. Look, High Street of Cricklewood. Edgeware Road, A5. Right, what we'll do.
Battery level is low.
Battery's low.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
The mic a little, I put the speaker a little bit higher because I turned my screen recording off so I can sync it better with my. Because there's no point having a screen recording to sync it up. It's better to just sync it up with the sound of from the microphone. Alright, so it wasn't the weather I planned, but we did get sun. We did get sunny shots. So just gonna land the drone now here. Look at that! Look at these trucks.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Let's get a shot of this Hamburg Süd, which looks to be of a German container.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Birds getting shook. I can hear them behind me. So I'm in normal mode. Obviously, when I flew in Brentwood in Essex, I flipping landed the drone and smacked the floor at full speed. You can see it in the video. Like, I swear, look, I landed the drone, look at that, sunny. That is my luck, bro. As soon as I landed my drone, it got sunny. You literally can't predict the weather. Anyway, I'm going to end this drone flight now. I kind of wish that I took off now so that I can get this sunny shot, because there's no, actually no, there is clouds around us, but I kind of wish I was flying out there while it was sunny, but it is what it is. So anyway, I'm going to now end this video of me flying in Cricklewood in the London Borough of Barnet. I mean, I took off from the London Borough of Barnet, but we got shots in the London Borough of Brent as well. So anyway, I'm going to end this video. I'm going to speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.